Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. You need bus number 24.
Great. Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy one from the driver or the ticket machine.
Perfect, thank you.
Welcome to Anna and Jake Real Life English.
Today you'll learn real English for buying a bus ticket.
Listen first, then listen again and repeat out loud.
Hi, I'd like a ticket to the city center, please.
Sure, single or return.
Single, please. How much is it?
It's €3.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, no problem. Just tap your card here.
Thanks. Does this bus stop near the main station?
Yes, get off at Central Station. It's about 6 stops.
6 stops. Got it. How long does the trip take?
Around 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, and where do I press the stop button?
There are red buttons on the poles. Press it after the 5th stop.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Sorry, one more question. Is there a day pass?
Yes, there is. A day pass is €9.
That might be better for me. Can I buy it here too?
Yes, single, return, or day pass.
Then I'll take a day pass, please.
No problem. Tap your card here.
Done, thank you.
Enjoy your day. Jake, quick tip. In English, drivers often ask short questions.
Like single or return.
Exactly. Short and simple.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead.
Thanks. Hi, does this bus stop at Central Station?
Yes, it does. It's stop number 6.
Stop number 6. Great. Excuse me, I'm new here. Do I need to validate my ticket?
If you buy from the machine, yes, you validate it on the bus.
Where do I validate it?
In the little yellow machine near the door.
Okay, thank you. And if I pay the driver?
Then you don't need to validate it.
Perfect. Excuse me, can I use this day pass on the tram too?
Yes, it works on buses, trams, and the subway.
That's really helpful.
Now let's practice the same situation with a small problem.
Like when card payment doesn't work. Hi, one ticket to the city center, please.
Sure, €3.50.
Can I pay by card?
Sorry, the card machine isn't working.
Oh, cash only?
Yes, cash only.
Okay, I have €4.
Great, here's your ticket and your change.
Thank you. Another common problem is the wrong bus.
Let's practice that.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
No, this one goes to the airport.
Oh, okay. Which bus goes to the city center?
Bus 24, it's the next one.
Where does it leave from?
From the same stop, right here.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
Sometimes you also need to ask about transfers.
Yes, like changing buses.
Excuse me, do I need to change buses to get to the city center?
No, it's direct, no transfer.
Perfect. And if it's not direct?
Then you can ask, where do I change?
Let's practice that. Excuse me, where do I change for the city center?
Change at River Street, then take bus 10.
River Street, then bus 10. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now we'll do the main conversation again, slowly and clearly.
Hi, I'd like a ticket to the city center, please.
Sure, single or return.
Single, please. How much is it?
It's €3.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, just tap your card here.
Thanks. Does this bus stop near the main station?
Yes, get off at Central Station. It's about 6 stops.
6 stops. Got it. How long does the trip take?
Around 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Where do I press the stop button?
Press the red button on the pole after the 5th stop.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Now, repeat after me. I'd like a ticket to the city center, please.
I'd like a ticket to the city center, please.
Single or return?
Single or return.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Does this bus stop near the main station?
Does this bus stop near the main station?
How many stops is it?
How many stops is it?
How long does the trip take?
How long does the trip take?
Where do I press the stop button?
Where do I press the stop button?
Do I need to validate my ticket?
Do I need to validate my ticket?
Where do I validate it?
Where do I validate it?
Is there a day pass?
Is there a day pass?
Does it work on the tram too?
Does it work on the tram too?
Do I need to change buses?
Do I need to change buses? Now a short listening quiz.
Question 1. What bus goes to the city center?
Bus 24.
Question 2. How much is the single ticket?
€3.50.
Question 3. How many stops to Central Station?
About 6 stops.
Question 4. What do you press to get off the bus?
The red stop button.
Question 5. If you buy from the machine, what do you sometimes need to do?
Validate the ticket.
Question 6. If the bus is not direct, what can you ask?
Where do I change? Great job today.
Listen again and repeat the phrases out loud.
See you in the next episode of Anna and Jake Real Life English.